Hey y'all, it's Regine, Life with Regine. I also got my Mocha as well. If you don't know, I'm a new grad nurse and I am currently in my residency, so about 3 weeks or so now. And I just want to say this channel won't be about nurse stuff. Maybe down the line I might throw in something, but as of right now, I'm just all about finances, budgeting, saving, things like that. So that's what this channel is going to be about. So if you want to join the Life with Regine, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Y'all like this video. And I'm going to try not to do so much rambling this time because in the first video, it was a lot of rambling. But I just wanted to make sure that y'all understood what I was saying, what I was talking about. So today it's going to be about breaking the bank, literally. I got this bank off of Amazon. So I purchased this in October 2024. So this is almost about a year savings, give or take, almost a year. So I'm gonna link the link to this in the description box just in case y'all want to purchase it, because this is a good way to do it as well, because you can't open this unless you actually break it. So that's what we're about to do today. I'm gonna put this in my high yields Capital One savings so it can start working for itself, so it just won't be sitting up. And I had got some of these as well a while back. You can get them for free at the bank. This probably won't be enough, but it's a good start because it's gonna take me a minute. Ooh, we got it open, y'all. We got it open. Okay. Okay. There we go. You ever seen these before and you wondering how you know how many can go and what? So it'll say like $10 worth of quarters. So you know that's what 40 quarters, and then you see they got 50 cent worth of pennies. So you know that'll be 50 pennies. So I'ma just stack it. It's my first time doing it, and I was looking up YouTube videos to see an easy way to do it because I tried it a while back, and honey, this shit was so time. 5 stacks of 10 pennies, so that's 50 cents. They go in here. And y'all probably wondering like why she didn't go to the corn store machine thingy. And because I want all my money, I don't need no type of fee coming out of my money. So that is why I am being cheap and not going to the coin machine. So yeah, so I was told to just stick the pennies in there, and of course they're gonna flip. So you just stick your hand in the other end and adjust it. Yeah, this gonna take me a few days. I ain't getting all this done in one day. So yeah, I'm gonna come back with an update. I have to put some gloves on because y'all know coins are so nasty, and just the smell that stay on your hands even when you wash them. I just don't have time for that. But I'm on to my next stack. So I'm gonna do that. And I did again 5 stacks of 10 pennies. I am at the bank and I actually had to get some more papers to roll the rest of these pennies. So I'm gonna pull over and do that after she give me the rest of the pennies, paper roller thing, and we're gonna roll them up and we're gonna come back and get in line and deposit. We're gonna deposit it. I think it came out to like 50 something dollars. We'll see. Yeah, so we got the rest of these, and I didn't want to sit up and hold the line, so I'm gonna pull over into a parking spot and roll the rest of these pennies, honey. All right, y'all. So I am done rolling the rest of them, and I got about I saved like $51.04 all of this or something like that. But we about to go deposit it and see what they talking about. Cause yeah, I need all that. Every penny counts, literally. Hey, good and you? I'm just making a deposit. I got some rolled up coins. Some of it is loose because I didn't have enough to fill the thing. So I wasn't sure if that was fine. It's like not a lot, but yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Some told me to. I don't know. Thank you. you. Well, we gotta go to the other side because the coins ain't gonna fit in the thing. So yeah, my wallet too. And my ID. Do you need my ID and card? Okay. Okay, thank you. Yes, it should be, I counted like $51.04. Okay, yeah. So we about to see y'all. So she said $50 and some change. So I was like $1 off, I don't know. But anywho, it's fine. As long as it's not a big difference of it being off. So yeah, put that in the savings, honey. $50 in my high yield savings, and my currently the APY is 3.5% annually. So baby, every little bit counts. It's no use to having the coins just sitting up in a bank at home. Thank you. Yeah, so I will see y'all next time. So this is y'all cue to save every coin, every penny. Honey, don't spend that change. Just let it collect. Get you the bank that you can't take out of, that you'll have to break, and you're gonna be good. Period. That's another savings tip. So use that. And until next time, y'all like, subscribe, and share this video with somebody that can use it. Cause I'm gonna deal with these crazy Dallas drivers, so I don't want to be recording while driving. So thank you for watching my video. Yeah, so I'm back with an update. So ooh, look at my daughter knocked out back there, y'all. But the bank ended up calling me not too long ago, and she said that she shorted me $1 when she was balancing out the drawer. It was saying that it was $1 over. So I was like, I knew I wasn't tripping. I was like, I know I counted $51 and some change. I know how to count. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know that I couldn't have been a whole dollar off. Like, come on now. But I didn't say nothing. I was like, you know, it is what it is, whatever. But yeah, she owed me that $1, so it was $51 and some change. So I'll take that. But I just had to come back and update y'all on that. So everyone think I was slow and didn't know how to count or something, honey.